Hey guys, it's Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna continue on with making money with Clickbank using my lead gen secrets. Alright, so you log in, go ahead and log into your my lead gen secrets account. Um, your name, all of that. I have a link in the description as always, let you log into there. So you get to until you get to the do not pay. Also, I want to make sure I clear this up. Do not pay for master email swipes. They're gonna try to upsell you on master email swipes. You do not need the emails because we're using different emails. We're gonna use emails from Clickbank. So make sure you do not pay for that. You don't need it at all. So all you need is the system itself. Okay. All right. So let's get it. All right. So what we're gonna do? Something very similar. We're gonna as the other days as well. We're gonna find you can probably predict what we're gonna do today, because at this point it's pretty easy to understand what to do next, so but let's get to it. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna look for go on Clickbank, log in, do all the stuff you need to do, log in. It's very easy to do. You shouldn't have many issues get into Clickbank. It's probably one of their weaknesses, actually. That's probably why a lot of people have trouble getting sales on Clickbank, but it's so easy to get in. But to get in and show the products, very easy. So anyway, so you click on e-business or e-marketing, right? Click on that. But yeah, they should pop up like that. Then you make sure you click on Gravity. And the one we're using, the one we focused on here, is get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. Right here. I consider this one, I have never had a refund from this one, so I'm thinking it's a very good product. Works really well, or it works well enough at least, to the point where people don't want to refund it. So, and that's very important to understand, like if the product's really good or not. Very hard to tell sometimes. It's on the front page. It's a pretty good chance it's a pretty good product though, so I focus on that. So anyway, what we're gonna do here is we're gonna look down here. Well, system. I'm gonna show like the products I think are really good selling for this process and what's not. We're gonna stay on the front page here. Front page is pretty good chance it's pretty good. Alright, so clearly this one, I think this is the best option right now, especially for us. What we're gonna do here, Clickwell system, made money with it, but it's very low income here. $19.25 is the average, no recurring or rebilling. So turn text speak to human voices. These are products. You don't need product. You don't need products. To be fair though, every time I sold this product, I never had a refund. So maybe it'll work, I don't know. But people who sign in to my lead gen secrets are looking for opportunities to make more money. So you probably want to focus on stuff like that. Perpetual income 365. That's I've never managed to make it work, but I haven't tried that hard. To be fair, so let's keep going. Rebel 2021. I've had a sale of this stuff. It's not on my lead gen secrets, but I had a sale of this as well. But you could give this a shot too. I did get a refund though on this, so I wouldn't bet on it too hard, but I think it's a decent product. I tried this product. It's okay. Pay online writing jobs. This is a good product to give, put into the system here. This one right here would sell, get a sale to a couple of sales. It's one of those products that where it's like, hey, we'll help you make money with writing jobs, simple writing jobs online. You can make some money. Stuff that seems believable is probably the best bet to go with. Something that seems like, hey, this is our opportunity to make some money online. it's not one of those 30 days, $1 million type things. So it's a good chance to make some money. Okay. Live chat jobs. This is also one of those products that I think would work really well with it, because it's one, like I stated before, it's one of them things where you make a ton of money. But it's not like crazy, like I said, like something unbelievable, like $1 million, $100,000 in like 1 month. Now, can you get up to those type of numbers? Probably. You probably can get up to those type of numbers, but it's not happening in 1 month. You're gonna have to know what you're doing. It's a lot of stuff you need to do to make money like that. But what I'm trying to start with, like even with the way I'm doing it now, you're probably gonna make around $3,000 or $4,000 a month. Which is, that's really good. That pretty much, that if it doesn't pay for all your bills, it'll pay for at least one or a couple of them. It depends on where you live. Over here in Georgia, that's good enough. Where I live, that's good enough. That's all you really need. 12-minute affiliate system. Haven't tried, but I never gotten it to sell in any other way either. So that's why I haven't tried it. I just ain't gotten it to sell, period. Writers app. I think this will work as well. Give this a shot. It might work as well. I think, but you're not gonna get as many sales as the other three. I noticed that when I was doing it. So I kind of was messing with it for a little bit, then I just left it alone because the sales wasn't that high. Affiliate Millionaire is a brand new system. I think give it a shot because it's brand new. People ain't seen it, so you shove it in front of people, they be like, "What is this?" Just to check it out. So it's probably a good idea to try to sell this as well. It got high conversion rate, so give it a shot. I don't know about the refunds yet. Nobody knows about the refund rate yet. So that's the only thing. But it's on the front page, so it can't be too bad. Alright, so let's get it going. Alright, so first thing you do, you click on this here, save social media, and then you want to go to the emails here. You see that? It'll come up to this right here. You click on emails, swipes, then we did email 5 last time, so we're going to email 6 here. Facebook wants to pay you. We're going to copy. Put your name here. Where is the system? Okay, here we go. Paste here. Make sure you click select all right there. Make sure you send it to everybody. Delete this right here. Hit perfect timing. Make sure you hit perfect timing. Now you go back to the email here. Make sure you put this all the best signature. The signature. You put your name. Pick somebody else's name. It don't matter. I say pick your name, but pick whatever you want. But you put your name here. Pick your high name. Where you see name or country, when you see country from country, we don't have like a thing that show what country they are in. So we just pick your area. Your area is a pretty good name for that. I name. Let's get this first name fits. Make sure to get first name, not the whole name. Whole name doesn't work too well. So we're just gonna pick the first name paste. Pick that right off. Okay. Okay, scan it real quick. Make sure it makes sense. You don't even gotta do that really. I just doing it myself. Hit the blue line to apply. There where you pick. I just want to make sure when no more like stuff like country, your area, stuff like that, like codes. All right. So right here it say hit this blue line to apply. You just put your link here. So get your link here. Put MLGS1. Yeah, I used to put them by the date, and I figured, hey, that's kind of stupid. So I just grade them by the by which account it is. You want multiple accounts to do this as well. Now you don't want just one. I'm using just one for this experiment, but you want more than one account. So this right here, it's guaranteed to make you at least some money. Like, it's gonna take a while. The first sale. Hold on, let me go ahead and finish this email first before I start talking. Okay, so you hit preview. You make sure the link works. Is it working? Working. All right. So hit that right there. Send the email right there. There you go. Email's been sent to 20,000 people. And it's gonna slowly build up over time. You won't now. Normally, you want more than one account. I'm only using one account, but ultimately, you want to try to get 5 accounts, right? You want to get 5 accounts. That would make. That's where the $3,000, $4,000 come from. You have 5 different accounts to send it to. So sometimes this one with 20,000 probably won't get a sale, but one that has only like 2,000 or 3,000 people on it get sales. And like, you're not relying on just one account. That's why you want more than one account. Either way, you definitely are gonna make the money back, like that you spend on the accounts, 100%. Don't worry about that. You'll make your money back. Maybe the first month you might not get a sale, but definitely the second and third you'll get sales. Because I think the average time is taken for people to get sales with this system, and especially doing it like this, the way we're using it. Well, in general, like on Clickbank or whatever program they may have, it's been 21 days. That's the average from when the system starts. So you need to give it about 21 days. Around 21 days, you should get a sale. Start looking for your first sale around 21 to 30 days up in that area. Then it should start snowballing. It should eventually start snowballing because you're only going to get more and more people to send mail to. And as you get more and more people to send mail to, you should get more and more sales. And so you want 5 accounts, so you don't have to rely on just one account to get you sales. And once you have 5 accounts, make sure you be an affiliate of yourself, so you're only spending like $130 all together on 5 accounts, about $130 a month. Once you got that going, $130 a month, you're gonna make that by like 2 or 3 days once you get it going. But you gotta get it going. You gotta get it started. You gotta invest in yourself. I can't guarantee you'll make a ton of money, but everybody who's done it like this, everybody that I know who has used the system like this, did it like I've just shown you how to do it, has made their money back very quickly, and start making an income, which they can quit their job and don't have to work. Like I stated, you can make around $3,000 to $4,000 doing it like this. Some people make even more. But I'm saying I'm trying to be conservative when I say $3,000 a month. I'm trying to be very conservative. And say the lower numbers. Maybe 2 or 3 at the beginning. Maybe 2 or 3 on like month 2 or 3. Around month 2. Now month 2 of having 5 different accounts. Month 2 of making 5 different accounts, you probably can make about $2,000 or $3,000. Then it just increases over time. Like you'll get 4, maybe you'll get to 5. It won't get too much more crazier than 5, I don't think, because there's a scale with this. You need to promote something different to really start building your income instead of like getting sales. The way this works is that you're getting sales, but you're not building income. So what I mean by that is, like, most of these, they got recurring. Like, most of the stuff we promoting does have recurring to them, but it's not like guaranteed recurring products. Like some other products that I may be promoting, like Saving Highway Global, that's guaranteed recurring product. That's a guaranteed recurring product. You're gonna keep making money off of it over and over again off of one person. So when you get one sale, that's money you getting for the rest of your life. as long as they in the process, as long as they in the program. Okay, that's all I want to say. Wish you guys all the luck. Make sure to subscribe, comment, do all of the things. You know what I mean? And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.